Hi, I'm Dr. Sandeep Naik. I'm a laparoscopic and robotic cancer surgeon, Max Clinic, Bangalore. Robotic surgery is an advanced form of laparoscopic surgery. The advancement in technology or introduction of robotics into surgery has made some aspects of laparoscopic surgery easier for the surgeon to perform. So as a robotic surgeon, I use this technology or robotic technology when the surgery is difficult. And some of the most common surgeries where I use robotic surgery are the pancreatic surgery, where I have to perform a complex procedure called pancreaticoduodenectomy. This is performed especially for patients with jaundice, wherein a cancer or a growth is causing an obstruction in the flow of bile. Second cancer where I use it quite often is for esophageal cancer, that is the cancer of food pipe, wherein patient has difficulty in swallowing food, and these cancers require surgery that involves chest, abdomen as well as in neck. So this complex surgery can be performed with much more ease when we perform robotically. And the third place where I have used it quite commonly are the cancers of rectum, wherein quite often the patient has a fear, and there is a definite fear of losing the anus and wearing a permanent bag for passing stools or motion. In these patients, when we use robotic technology, it makes it easier for the surgeon to reach the tumors which are very low down in the rectum or the back passage and give a good disease clearance, by which patient gets a good long-term result.